doing the snow thing. What do you think of that, Luke? You want to go out in the snow? Go, Luke, go! Woo! He's so fast! Woohoo! Woohoo! Lou! Do you love the snow, Bubba, do? Yeah! There she is. Look, she's on sale for a good deal. Look, come see me! You're so nice! You're so nice! Woohoo! Okie dokie, guys. I'm so excited this morning because last night I was looking and I was like, oh, it's like Black Friday sales and stuff are coming soon. I wonder if I can find an espresso machine on sale, because I've been wanting one for quite some time. And I found one online last night at Canadian Tire for $129.99. That was regular $299.99, and it's sort of a bundle one. So it's the Nespresso Pixie, and it comes with the Aerochino 3 milk frother thing. So I'm super excited about this purchase because I've literally been wanting one of these for over a year, but I kept putting it off and being like, no, I'll find one on a better deal, I'll find one on a better deal. And this is definitely the cheapest one that I've seen. I always just didn't want to because we already did have a Keurig machine. So I was like, well, I'll wait. It's been a long enough wait and I finally have my machine. And I'm hoping that this will help me stop going to Starbucks so often too, because that is becoming an expensive habit. Although the pods for the Nespresso are a bit more expensive than coffee pods, but I still think it'll be cheaper to make at home than going to Starbucks. So this one came with, I think, 14 pods. I don't know what flavor. And then I bought some Pike Place Starbucks pods, and these ones say that they're chocolate and toasted nut notes. So excited to try that. Then I just got the regular blonde roast espresso, so smooth and sweet notes. Typically this is what I think they use in the drinks that I normally get. Those things I got at Canadian Tire. And then I also got us a new pot while I was there because I wanted one that didn't have the inside that was like lined the way ours is. So this one should be good. Yeah, so the inside of this one is just like this, and I don't think that this will scrape off. So it should be good for mashing potatoes and stuff like that. And it's dishwasher safe. Then I also got these cutting boards because you guys get on me about not using a cutting board, and the one that we have is a wooden one and it's not supposed to go in the dishwasher. But these ones are dishwasher safe, and if you know what I'm like, you know that I need things to just be dishwasher safe because it's a lot less hassle. And it came with 2, so that's nice that it comes with the, are they glued together? Oh my god, they are glued together. With that really sticky glue that looks like boogers. It says, what are you doing? What is that, mama? What is that, mama? You know this type of like glue stuff, sticky stuff? I hope your boogers aren't this big. But there's a lot of it on here. What are these? What are these, Brooke? Yucky. So it's been snowing all morning since I took Darius to school. I wasn't expecting snow today, so that was kind of a surprise. When it's just like a light amount like this though, it's kind of just pretty and it's not too cold out or anything. So maybe I'll take Luke for a WALK at some point. while it's still snowing. I think he would enjoy that. He was super excited about it, as you can see. He loves to run around and snort while he's running around out in the yard. Okay, I got all my gunky glue. So, what I was trying to decide was, it's nice that it came in these two different sizes, the smaller size and then the larger size, depending on what you're cutting up. So, excited about these. Honestly, it was a successful shopping day, and I had to come home because I was like, I need to come home before I buy anything else. Got bread, we needed bread. Got a special somebody, some fishy, dehydrated dog treats for Luke. Yep, because he's almost out of his. And Luke thinks they are great treats. We're down to the last crumbs in this current bag. So we had to do a restock. Slow. Slow. Good boy. So I also got chicken. Imagine that for supper tonight. And then at Sobeys, this is actually my Sobeys stuff now. Restocked on toilet paper and got some more espresso pods because they were on sale. So I figured I might as well stock up while they're on sale and get them at the good price now. So I got this Lavazza Espresso Maestro Risoretto. There's so many different words and I don't know what any of them mean. Anyways, it says chocolate notes, so you guys know I'm a fan of chocolate. And then medium roast of the same brand. Oops, also to try. Since we still do have a Keurig, and you know I love, like, I am an addict, okay? You guys are gonna understand my problem eventually. But coffee and coffee drinks and stuff, it's just a thing for me that I just love to try them all. I need like a coffee advent calendar. This is kind of what that is becoming, I guess. Anyways, Tim Hortons has a limited edition winter blend, and it is notes of chocolate and spice. So that is for the Keurig. I'm still gonna drink it out of the Keurig too, don't you worry. Then I got some more of my high protein plain Greek yogurt, and then I also got the strawberry raspberry one to try as well. It's a little bit higher calorie and sugar and 2 grams less of protein per serving, but it's still really healthy for you. And I just wanted to see what it was like with the fruit pre-mixed in versus mixing it in on my own. Then they got me again. They had their Christmas candles out, so I got this limited edition Santa's Spice Bar one, and it just smells like cinnamony and just those types of Christmassy smells you smell this time of year. And then I also got this corduroy and cookies, and that one smells just like sugar cookies, frosted sugar cookies maybe. It just smells really nice. So that's everything I got this morning, and now I'm home so that I don't spend any more money because I seem to be really good at that. Luke also likes Greek yogurt as a little snack. Look at his cute little yogurty whiskers. Good boy. Now it's time to light my candle to enjoy while I get my Nespresso machine set up and anything else I need to do. What do you think of that, Luke? What do you think of that? Time to open up this box. Let's see what we got. I struggle opening things. Oh, this is the Nespresso pods that it comes with. Oh, great. Oh my gosh, what the heck? It comes with samples of different flavors. I dumped them all out, but just a second. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. I thought it was all gonna be one same flavor, but it comes with like different ones from around the wheel. That's exciting. And it also like says what they are. So that's fun. Really excited, even more so now, to try all these out. Cocoa truffle, that sounds good. Vanilla eclair, some of these sound really good. Okay, exciting, exciting. I feel like the sliding angle is not very good. Let's go back to the other side. This is better lighting, I think. So it comes with its little safety and how to use it and all that at the beginning of something great. All the little manuals and warranty. Put that aside. Now onto the machine. Ta-da! Look at her. So cute. So this is the Nespresso Pixie, and I am familiar with using some type of Nespresso machine from certain hotels we've stayed at, but I never really understood how they worked and stuff, so I don't think I really got the full experience. So I'm really excited to play with this new toy, test out all the things. And I like that it's pretty like small, so I don't think I'm gonna put it here with the Keurig, just because this counter is the one that I usually use to like prep for meals and stuff. But I think I will put it over there where the ice maker and air fryer and toaster are. I can just sit there cute with all these guys. I know, I hate having another appliance on the counter, and this ice machine is quite bulky as well as the air fryer, but it's not practical to just put them down here and take them out every time because I use it so often. The ice machine I don't use as often, but I think with this new machine, if I start making like iced drinks, I will be using it more regularly as well. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. What's one more little tiny machine on there? Since I got that bundle one, because it was on sale with it, I got this Aerochino 3? What? I have this milk frother that's the handheld one that I got from Amazon, and its stand, and I really like it. It's really powerful. It does work really well. I have links in the description, by the way, for all of my favorite things and stuff like that if you want to check out that stuff. It's sort of all categories. This one though seems like it's gonna be more like the type that they have at Starbucks. There's the lid, and then okay, also comes with its little manual, which I'm gonna need. Look at this. It's got its little button on the front, and then the inside has like the frothing thing, and this is removable, but it goes and it attaches to here. How much fun am I gonna have with this, guys? Hopefully a lot. Hopefully I don't hate it. Hopefully this isn't something that I'm gonna end up regretting, but I think that it's gonna be really fun for me to look at all those fun drinks I can make. Yes, so I will have to look at these manuals and see how it all works, and then I will try something for me to drink. I'm really excited about these variety pack of pods that it came with. So cool. Okay. Thanks for doing the unboxing with me, guys. Okay, since I'm slow though at setting things up and I want to get to read all my little manuals and all that stuff before I use my new machine, I am going to use one of my new Keurig pods. My Tim Hortons Winter Blend. So, I will try that. It's always just gotta try all the new drinks. I actually got other coffee pods. I'm telling you guys, this is an an addiction that I have, but I got the Starbucks holiday blend while we were at Winners the other day, and this one is notes of sweet, maple, and herbs. I've had them before and they're really tasty. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 now different flavors of Keurig coffee pods, plus the regular coffee ones. And then I have my variety pack of Nespressos to try, and my blonde roast espresso, my Pike Place, and then medium roast and maestro. So definitely a coffee drink, espresso drink, latte drink, macchiato drink type of girl. I don't think it's the worst addiction to have. Doesn't everyone say that about their addiction? I got this syrup from a local coffee shop today. I got this oat milk the other day, and I got the blonde espresso roast Nespresso capsules, and I have some cinnamon. So I'm gonna see if I can recreate that Starbucks drink with my Nespresso machine. That's good. I'm gonna add a second shot of espresso though, I think. So both of those drinks that I showed you the recipes for turned out really good and tasty, so let me know if you try them out. And I also got another syrup. This one is a vanilla bean one, so I can show you what I used that one for if you want in another video. Also, I'm going to do my best with this Vlogmas. I don't know if I will get every day, but I will do my best. I will try. I will see how I can do. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're not yet already, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys!